This is intensity. This is awesomeness. This is RJBE. Hello everybody, this is Idiotic Gaming, and you already know, with RJBE, and I forgot to put, oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. Forgot to put this stuff away, because I will not be needing this. I'm actually showing you guys, because I made a redstone video in the past. You will probably want to check that out, but I made a redstone video, and I left out something very, very important, and it is, what are they called? Redstone comparators. I left out redstone comparators. Oh shoot, I fell in the hole. So, this will be explaining redstone comparators with a little story behind it. Well, not really, but with a little way to present it. Okay, this. Do not enter without one. They are hazmat suits. As you can see, I have a hazmat uniform on. This is my hazmat uniform. And here's how it works. You need to make sure no germs make it in or out. Okay. Okay. As you can see, I'm going much faster. I've been infected with speed, strength, and regeneration. Okay, magic regeneration just went away. Jeez. Oh, and he's running! Yeah! Let's punch a sheep. Let's punch a sheep. Yeah, boom. Boom. As you can see, I did so much more damage. Let's punch this chicken. Whoops, I hate potholes. I hate potholes. Oh no, I don't want your derpy chicken feathers. Oh, run back. Run to the redstone. This is the redstone. How the redstone works. If any of you guys saw inside, I flipped a lever, and that lever was connected to this redstone. Right now it is on, and when you turn it off, it stops overpowering this, because comparators work how if there's redstone coming in this side that is strong, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of redstone away from the source, then it is 4 blocks away, and that is the block power, 4 block power. Then this is 1, 2, 3 blocks. So this is a stronger redstone signal than this is. So this turns off this redstone signal so it doesn't send it out. And when this turns off, this overpowers again, turns it on, and that opens the door, because the door will have redstone going to it, and it will open the door. Then also, when this turns off, it will go all the way over here, and this will turn off, and the other door will close. Then when you're in, you flip the lever, and it opens and closes again, because some things need that, or else, so that germs, they enter, and then that door closes, and then they exit, so that there's no direct path for germs to get in and to the other side. And I guess that, yeah, they all went away, because they were all level 2, so they didn't last as long. All of those intense germs of radioactivity were doing that. And then for the second set of doors to get out, it was the exact same thing. Honestly, this one takes a bit longer to do. As you can see, it would open, and then the other one will close shortly afterwards, but not immediately, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 repeaters just to keep it going. This one, I made this one afterwards. This only has 1 repeater to get to here to make a strong. This is a 1 block redstone signal, and this is a 4 block redstone signal. Then this only has 1, 2 of them, so it basically instantly turns on and off. And this is very, very weak over here, but that doesn't really matter because it's still sending out a redstone signal. Personally, I like this when you put it on subtraction mode. Let's see, I need to build another model of that. Subtraction mode. Okay. Subtraction mode is when, let me get this good model up. Okay. is 4 blocks away, and it's sending out a redstone signal. Man, I need some light out here. And it is on. Now this redstone signal, we'll turn it off, so it's 2 blocks away. Okay, man, I need to light those. Okay. Sorry about this. Okay. That is off. Put it on subtraction mode. If I turn this off, look at this. Whoa, what happened? I did something wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks here. 1, 2. Oh, wait, I think I know what I did wrong. Let's make this 4. And this 2. Now it only sends out a 2-block signal. This is why. When you put it on subtraction mode, and you send a redstone signal coming in from this side that is larger, so it's weaker, and then you put one in that is, this one is 4 blocks away, and it doesn't really matter how many, wait, I think it does. Let me create another model just to test what I'm saying. 2, 3 away. Let's make this one 2 away, and this one 3 away. Oh wait, no. Vice versa. Let's make this 1 away and this 2 away. See how many redstone signals it sends out. Oh, it's not on subtraction mode. Okay, it only sends out 1. So I was just about to say something incorrect. Depending on the number of redstone signals that you want it to send out, that is the in addition. So let's say these two are powering this and making it go. When you put it on subtraction mode, these two are powering it. This is the first 2, and then there's 2 in addition to that. So basically, you subtract however many are here, and there's 2 minus, or 4 minus 2, and you get 2, and that's how many it will send out. And then with this one, I did an example where there's 1 sticking in. I need to try more different types of examples. Let's try a 2, and then a 3 here. Put on subtraction mode. Yes, I am correct. It still sends out a level 1 redstone signal. Plus 3 minus 2 equals 1. So that is how much of a redstone signal it sends out, just 1. This one, it has 4 minus 2 equals 2. See, even video games use math. Math is very important in life. Yes, so... Oh, it's daytime now. Oh, I should have skipped a day. I don't know why I didn't do that, because I'm the master at Minecraft, sort of. Oh, and if you haven't seen either of my videos about the farm, the instant farm, that is really cool, that instantly farms for itself, these videos, and voted for the best yet. I said I didn't show you the redstone comparator in my redstone contraptions, and here are my redstone contraptions. This is showing you all the other redstone contraptions. Check out that video. And yeah, these are my personal favorite. So yeah, check out that video, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Make sure you check out the videos. See ya!